So with the advancement in AI, you must have seen various layoffs in some of the biggest tech companies in the world. So what is actually AI doing that is able to replace the actual intelligence, which is the human intelligence? So AI stands for artificial intelligence, and till now you must have heard that word a lot. In WhatsApp, AI is integrated, which is called Meta AI, and in Bing search engine you must have seen Copilot. Google has also been working for a very long time on their AI. Its name was Bard and then was changed to Gemini. So what are these things, and how do machines learn something, and how do it generate images and prompts? So to learn that, we should know how intelligence works, or what actually is intelligence. So intelligence is actually the capacity to think or do something without requiring instructions at each and every step. So computers are simply dumb machines. They need to be told each and every instructions. And how do we tell them? We tell computers to do something using instruction set and algorithms, and we use those algorithms in various programming languages like C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, and C. So these are programming languages. These are used to give instructions to the computer. So all of the software and programs that you see in your mobile devices and laptops and every other electronic devices which perform a certain set of tasks, they are all running a programming language. Let's say we click the power button of our phone, then it is pre-programmed in the software itself that what should happen on pressing the power button. If we press the call end button, then it is pre-programmed in the software itself that the call should be cut on clicking that button. Okay, so these are all the basic programs and the stuff that programmers are doing for a very long time. There are two ways in which AI can learn. The first one is called supervised learning, and the second method is called unsupervised learning. So to teach some child, or to give a certain amount of data to a child, what do? We supervise the child to do something. For example, if you want the child to write some alphabets like A, B, C, D, or K, Kh, G, Kh, so we first teach the child that okay, this is the method of writing this letter, this particular letter, and you have to write it in the same way. So this is called supervision or supervised learning. So the method you are using to teach the child is called supervised learning. So to teach the AI, we have various data models and data sets or data instructions which has some mapping of the data with associated information. Like let's say if we have an apple written inside the data set, then there is an image related to that data which is red in color, and apple which is red in color. And if we have a green color text in the data set, then we have an image green apple, the image of a green apple associated with it. So the AI actually learns using these data sets and able to generate anything that anything new that you give it to it. So if we want to generate a black apple, then when it sees the word black, then it would associate it would find the meaning of the word black, and if it would see any black image or any black thing, then it would turn the apple, the data associated with the apple, into black. So you would see a black apple, which is not inbuilt into the data set but was created by the artificial intelligence itself. So this is how the supervised learning method works. And there is also another method which is called unsupervised learning. In this method, we only provide data set to the artificial intelligence model, and it on itself deduces some meaning in the data and gives you a particular output. So you can think of it as let's say I don't show you any method to perform that particular calculation. If there is a maths problem, I haven't told you the formula or steps to perform that calculation. So, and I have given you an answer sheet where the steps are written, so you can figure it out yourself how to solve a particular problem. So in the same way, unsupervised learning works. So AI itself figures out the way to solve that particular problem, or to generate image or generate prompt using the pre-existing data. So that was all about artificial intelligence, and it was a very brief information about how the artificial intelligence works. But if you want a great detail, you can visit on various websites to get information about it. and the existing data that we were searching on other websites that Google is providing us, or a Bing search engine or the Go search engine is providing. So that data was not actually generated by the search engine itself. It was only retrieved from some website or the other, and the search engines actually show you information which they have found on different websites. So they actually are not able to generate the information or generate new data. This was a brief information about how the AI works.